Hey, Birdie. How are you? Can I take a quick picture of you?
I think it starts at 9, Shug.
Okay. What time is it?
8:23.
Okay, so we've still got a bit before it starts, but I want to brush Elizabeth's hair.
She has a friend.
Billy Bob came back.
I think it's...
No, it's BillyBobbyGeorge.
No, I think that's Sally Sue.
No, this is BillyBobbyGeorge. Billy Bob is not here.
Elizabeth?
Yeah.
Morning, Billy Bobby Sue.
All right.
This could be great for an animal document.
Do you want a hairbrush? Come here, little Seagull. Can you get a hairbrush?
You're scaring him.
Do you want to let him in?
Yes. Actually?
See, we have some food.
No.
No, we do. We do.
We're not feeding the birds.
Why? Please.
No. If we feed the birds will think it's in your arms.
Billy Bob.
And that would be bad, but not...
Billy Bobby Sue. Billy Bobby Sue. He lost a leg. Hi, Billy Bobby Sue. Hi. I'm not a bird. Billy Bobby Sue, come here. Billy Bobby Sue. Billy Bobby Sue. Yes, bestie. Get it. Sing it. Keep singing. Billy Bobby Sue. Yes. I agree. You want food? I want to give you food, but I can't because somebody. I know. I agree. You and me should get a nail care together. Paint our nails hot red pink, and we can show all the boys we don't need them. Yes. Get it, Carly? Wait, are you a boy? Are you? No way you be a boy. Don't fight with me. Say I. No. I side at you. You don't. No, I side at you. I side at you. Side at.
I know